Updating Python on Mac. I wanted to update my Python 2.6.1 to 3.x on Mac, but I was wondering if it's possible to do it using the terminal or I have to download the installer from Python website. I am asking this question because the installer is not updating my terminal Python version.
The default Python on OS X shouldn't be messed with as it's used by the OS itself. If your default is 2.6.1, then you must have Snow Leopard. If you just install from the standard 3.1 disk image, then you can invoke it using Python 3.1 from the terminal. You don't have to do any extra steps for this to work, and you can leave the plain Python as 2.6.1.
Both Python 2x and 3x can stay installed in a Mac. Mac comes with Python 2x version. To check the default Python version in your Mac, open the terminal and type. However, to check if you have already installed any of Python 3x versions, you need to type. If you don't, then go ahead and install it with the installer. Go to the Python's official site, this URL, download the latest version. And install it. Now restart the terminal and check again with both commands.
brew install Python. Install the latest Python. ls l break time equals 1s/. List all Python versions installed on your system. ln s f break time equals 1s/. Break time equals 1s/. Change default Python version to the latest version. e.g ln s f break time equals 1s/. .9 break time equals 1s/. Restart terminal. Python version. Check Python version default again. Ref this URL.
Using Homebrew just do. Done, smiley face.
This article helped me to make the right choices eventually, since Mac 10.14.6 by default came with Python 2.7* and I had to upgrade to 3.7*. Referred the right and wrong way to set Python 3 as default on a Mac article.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and